morning. Thank you for calling FBS department. This is Jackie speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. I would like to order breakfast.
Certainly, ma'am. May I have your name and room number, please?
My name is Aliyah, room 205.
Thank you, Miss Aliyah. May I take your order now?
Yes, I would like to order one corned beef with garlic rice and egg and one hot coffee.
Thank you, ma'am. May I suggest some of our breakfast favorites? We have a fluffy pancake served with the butter and syrup, and our ham and cheese omelette, which is a very filling. You might also want to add a fresh fruit bowl if you prefer something light.
No, thank you. I just want my order to be delivered fast.
Certainly, ma'am. Let me just repeat your order. One corned beef with the garlic rice and egg, and one hot coffee. Did I get everything correct, Miss Aliyah?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Your total bill is 350 pesos. How would you like to settle your bill? Cash or charge per room?
Cash.
Noted, ma'am. I will prepare your change. You mentioned you will be paying 1,000, am correct?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Your order will be delivered within 30 minutes. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, thank you.
Thank you for calling, Miss Aliyah. Have a nice day. Room service. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Jackie from the Food and Beverage Department. I have your room service to order. May I come in? Where would you like to set up your food, ma'am? Would you like to leave it in trolley or transfer it to your table? May I open the curtains to brighten the room? Would you like to me to adjust the air conditioning temperature? Would you like me to turn on the TV? It is still below steady with over 150 channels. Ma'am, would you like to inform me that we have a Zumba event today at the gym on the third floor, starting at 10 a.m. We also have a mini concert tonight at the lobby floor, featuring special guests. You are very welcome to join. Is there anything else I can assist you with? May I present your bill, ma'am?
Yes, please, my payment.
Thank you. I received 1,000 pesos and the total bill is 350 pesos. Here's your change of 680. Can you sign the acknowledge receipt, please? Ma'am, I will return after an hour to clear the soap dishes, or you may call the food and beverage department when you are ready. Thank you very much. Enjoy your meal and have a wonderful day.